Alright, this is a restaurant. The AC is not working, so I opened this one. I didn't find power, and I saw the breaker panel. The breaker was stripped, and also this disconnect box. They put it together with the power and the leads, so they don't use the fuses. That's crazy. That's why any problems, the breaker pops up. So I checking the temperatures in the suction line. It's 53. Before I put my gauges, always I check the temperatures. For me, from my experience, have to be between 50 and 60. So this is fine. Why the breaker tree? So I gotta find out. Maybe it's the filter. I gotta check it out. Alright. So look at these filters. It's completely plugged. Two of them needs to be changed. That was the problem. That's it. Gotta go back upstairs to pick it up my tools. Okay, I put a new filters and the system stay on. This disconnect box is crazy. They put in a 30 amps fuses, and this system is double pole, and I saw this 3-pole disconnect. Probably this guy has a problem with the fuses many times. I saw fuses on the floor. The system needs like 60 amps fuses. I mean 60 amps disconnect box could be 40 according with this. The highest voltage, I mean the highest amps is in, yeah, circuit breaker 50. So you need 50 amps fuses, 60 amps disconnect box. I don't know if the guy is gonna replace this one. He's the cheapest guy. He's probably gonna leave it like that. But anyway, I wanna mention about this. Alright, all set. It's a nice view here. Not really. Okay, I explained the guy about the wrong disconnect box, and I thought he don't want to do it, but he said, okay, I trust you, please do the job. So I put a new box. It's a 60 amp box and 50 amp fuses, which is the requirement of the unit, the 5-ton unit. Right, let's put it and the segment. I gotta put that cover too. Okay, this is crazy. Also, I found 40 amps breaker for the 50 amps condenser. So I put a new 50 amps. This is a different brand. It was kind of loose. Wasn't fit very well. But now it's gonna work fine. Okay, this is the same restaurant, and the guy asked me if he can take a look the salad bar, and he showed me the temperature over 50, almost 60, and so he wants to drop the temperature to 40, where the blue line is more than 35, between 35 and 40. Okay. So what I found is the condenser fan motor was plugged. I use blowout with nitrogen, and I'm gonna add a Freon. I check the pressures. I can see very well. Okay, the pressure, I put Freon, but the pressure was low. It was like a 12 psi. 12 psi work for refrigerator fine, but for this kind of units it's different. According with the, I got an app. I'm gonna put the picture on the video. It's a nice app for the different freons, different refrigerants. So to get that 40 degrees, I need, according with the PT card or PT chart, I gotta get 38 psi. So I put, it was like a 12, and I put 25, maybe 30. I wanna put a little bit more. This is 134.8. You see the gauge, this is the purple line, R134A. So it has a line of the temperature. It's like when you use the PT card. So I try to get the 40 degrees, almost. I want to put a little bit more. So definitely there is a leak. He said, it's my first time here. He put Freon like 3 months ago. Definitely there is a leak, but I don't have time to check it out, the leak today. Alright, all done. I got a 40 degrees temperature and almost 30 pounds, 40 pounds. Nice, cool. Now it's cool. Good.